And I'm Carrie. And this is your cocktail of the week. This week, we're calling this the Italian picnic. We're using...
And we are dressed appropriately, yes?
I know, it's like a disco picnic. So we're using the Laughing Glass Original Margarita. And I'm doing 6 ounces right into my shaker with ice. 3 ounces of Aperol, which is such a fun color. This is going to be a really fun looking cocktail. And 3 ounces of fresh ruby red grapefruit juice that I just squeezed, so it smells divine.
So yummy.
And we're on an Italian picnic, so I am shaking this up and pouring it into some beautiful champagne glasses. So let's shake this up and get it nice and cool. And pour over ice.
Ooh.
I know, it's such
It's
a
very
pretty
fun.
color.
It's so fun to use Aperol.
It looks like an Italian picnic.
It does.
It does. Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my gosh. It's so good. I'm going to be drinking too many of these, I think.
Definitely.
Oh, enjoy. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.